Hey little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super fun, a playground slider with rainbow colors. Are you ready? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Let's get our black marker and start drawing. Let's begin by drawing a triangle roof for our first playground house. Now, draw 2 tall pillars to hold the house. 1 and 2. Nice! Let's move beside it and draw another triangle roof. And just like before, let's add 2 more pillars. Awesome, artists! Now it's time to draw a cute arch window in the first house. Make a round top and down the sides. Perfect! Let's draw a ladder so we can climb into the house. Step, 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 step. So cool!
La da 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 dee.
Over on the second house, let's draw a circle window. Round and round, done. Now, let's connect the 2 houses with a rope bridge. Wiggle those lines like ropes. Here comes the fun part, a swirl tunnel slide coming out of the second house. Let's make it curl and twist. Whoa! What a fun ride! Let's decorate the slide with some wavy and curved lines. It looks like candy, yum! Finally, let's decorate both roofs with wavy lines to make them super colorful.
La da 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 dee.
Wavy, wavy, and done! Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete! Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp to make our artwork pop. Go over all the lines again slowly. It's really standing out now. Looking awesome! Isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to bring our playground to life with colors. Here come the color pens. We'll use rainbow colors. Let's say them together. Red color.
Wow! La 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 la.
Orange color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Yellow color.
La 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 la. La 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 la.
Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Light pink color.
Yay!
Wow! Our rainbow playground slider is all done. Great work, little artists. You did it! Don't forget to subscribe, give a big thumbs up, and share your drawing with us. Hey there, little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw a super cute and easy house and color it using rainbow color. Let's grab our black marker and get started. Let's start by drawing a big upside-down V shape for the roof. Great job! Now let's draw a big rectangle under the roof. This will be the main part of our house. Let's draw a rectangle door in the middle. That's where we go in and out. Now let's draw some small stairs under the door. Let's draw 2 square windows, one on each side of the door. Windows help us see the outside. Now let's draw a little chimney on top of the roof. Nice and cozy. Awesome job, everyone. Our house drawing is complete. Let's now make the outline bold and sharp to make our artwork pop. Looking amazing! Don't you think?
Yay!
Let's bring our house to life with some rainbow colors. Here are the color pens we're going to use. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Wow! Look at your beautiful house! You did such a great job drawing and coloring today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fun art videos from Toddlers Art Hub. See you next time!
Yay!
Bye-bye, little artists! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.